Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the AI assistant not working in Adobe Acrobat. So if the AI assistant in Adobe Acrobat isn't working, so the problem is often caused by an outdated app, account restrictions, internet connectivity, or the document itself. So actually guys, first you all need to confirm the AI assistant is available for your account. So the AI assistant is only available with supported Adobe plans and in supported regions. So you all need to make sure that you are signed in with the correct Adobe account. Your subscription includes the AI assistant or the required add-on, and the feature is available in your country as well, or at least, right? Also guys, you all need to check your internet connection. So the AI assistant required an active internet connection, so you all need just to open a website, and now you all need to verify the connectivity, right? So you can go with the YouTube, Instagram, the web, WhatsApp, etc., and check. Also guys, you can go with the fast.com, and here you can check your internet speed as well. Also guys, I do really advise to disable any VPN or proxy temporarily if it may be blocking the Adobe services, and also why not restarting router if the connection is unstable. Also guys, I really advise you to do an update for Adobe. So all you need to do is to go to the question mark at the top here icon, and then go with the Acrobat help. So then you will get forwarded into the Adobe website. All you need to do is to go with the get started here, and then go with download Acrobat Reader to get the latest version of it, right? Or install any available updates and then restart Acrobat and check the AI if still not working. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.